Believe it or not, waist size matters more than weight. Belly fat, or abdominal obesity, can increase the risk of developing several diseases, including 1. Heart disease. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, women with a waist size of more than 35 inches and men with a waist size of more than 40 inches have an increased risk of heart disease. The Nurses' Health Study found that middle-aged women with a waist size of 35 inches or more had almost double the risk of dying from heart disease than women with a waist size of less than 28 inches. 1. Type 2 diabetes. Belly fat can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 1. Alzheimer's disease. A pilot study funded by the National Institute on Aging, NIH, found that middle-aged adults with abdominal obesity had greater early Alzheimer's disease-related brain changes. However, other studies suggest that high body mass index, BMI, isn't always associated with an increased risk of Alzheimer's. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Shackles Off TV. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us are curious about: how to lose belly fat effectively. If you're ready to shed those extra inches, stick around. First, let's understand what belly fat is. There are two types: subcutaneous fat, which is just under the skin, and visceral fat, which surrounds your organs. Visceral fat is more concerning for health, so targeting it is crucial. But don't worry, I've got some great tips for you. Tip number 1: nutrition. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Here are some key points. Cut down on sugar. Sugary drinks and snacks can lead to weight gain. Increase protein intake. Foods like chicken, fish, and legumes can help you feel full longer. Eat more fiber. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can aid digestion and keep you satisfied. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help control hunger and boost metabolism. Tip number 2: exercise. Incorporate both cardio and strength training into your routine. Cardio activities like running, cycling, or swimming can help burn calories. Aim for at least 150 minutes a week. Strength training. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate. Focus on core exercises like planks, crunches, and leg raises to target that belly area. Tip number 3: lifestyle changes. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Lack of sleep can cause you to raise cortisol levels, which can increase belly fat. Try deep breathing exercises before bed to help manage stress levels. Stay consistent. Remember, losing belly fat takes time and dedication. Set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Now, let's debunk some common myths about losing belly fat. Myth 1: spot reduction works. Unfortunately, you can't target fat loss in just one area. Myth 2: you need to do endless crunches. While core exercises are important, they won't melt away belly fat on their own. Myth 3: all fats are bad. Healthy fats, like those from avocados and nuts, are essential for your body. So there you have it. A combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle changes can help you lose belly fat effectively. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.